Welcome to another motovlog. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It's a nice sunny day today, so come with me on this scenic ride. I still don't have any heated grips because I ordered from a website which I feel like I got scammed, so I just cancelled the order. And they was happy enough to cancel the order but not give me the things that I ordered. Anyways, I'll talk about that in a different video. But I ordered from Infinity Motors, which I'm used to. This is where I got all my security for my bike, like my chain, my cover, all that kind of stuff. Today, DPD should be delivering them in about an hour, hopefully. So by the next video, I should have them. And if you're interested in me installing them as a newbie who doesn't know how to deal with bikes, so it's going to be my first time dealing with like the battery and sorting all those kind of things out. So if you want to see that, please tune in, turn on the notifications. Okay, I hate to be the one to ramble on when there's nothing to talk about, so just enjoy the video and do what I said. Subscribe. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of this month, please. So that would be great. So enjoy the rest of the video, stay safe and happy riding. See ya.